Ever wondered how you could enhance your sexual performance naturally and safely? It's a question that many men contemplate, and it's crucial to understand that sexual health and performance are integral parts of our overall well-being. It's not just about satisfying desires, it's about feeling confident, enhancing stamina, and improving performance in a safe, natural way. It's about embracing a solution that harmonizes with your body, amplifying your potential without compromising your health. If you're searching for a solution, let me introduce you to EndoPeak. EndoPeak is a revolutionary male enhancement formula designed to improve your life. This incredible product has been developed through rigorous years of research and testing, with the sole aim of giving you a natural and long-lasting solution to enhance your performance. EndoPeak works in numerous remarkable ways. It promotes circulation, ensuring your body is well supplied with the nutrients it needs. It heightens libido, giving you that much-needed boost in desire. The formula also shields against oxidative stress, providing a safeguard for your cells against harmful free radicals. Moreover, EndoPeak facilitates blood flow, a crucial component for healthy sexual function. It aids in testosterone production, a key hormone in male sexual health, and improves sexual performance, helping you be at your best when it matters most. This formula also enhances natural stamina, giving you the endurance to keep up with your desires. Lastly, it supports testosterone levels, ensuring your body maintains a healthy balance. The best part? EndoPeak is made from pure plant ingredients and natural minerals, no harmful chemicals or artificial additives. The manufacturing process takes place right here in the United States, in an FDA-registered and GMP-certified facility. This guarantees you a product of the highest quality. The recommended dosage is simple: just 1 capsule per day with water after your first meal. It's easy to incorporate into your daily routine, and the benefits are truly worth it. With EndoPeak, you can expect reliable erections, increased stamina, faster arousal, and a bigger appetite for sex. So why wait? Embark on your journey to improve performance and enhanced confidence today. Ready to experience the benefits of EndoPeak for yourself? This isn't just any male enhancement formula. EndoPeak is a product of years of research and testing, dedicated to improving the lives of men. It's all about providing natural, long-lasting results. Just imagine: improved performance, increased stamina, and a boost in confidence. What's more, this formula promotes circulation, heightens your libido, and aids in testosterone production. And it's all thanks to its composition of pure plant ingredients and natural minerals. Remember, individual results may vary, but that's the beauty of the journey. It's a course of treatment that unfolds in stages, each one bringing you closer to your peak. And here's the best part: you can try EndoPeak risk-free. That's right, it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Now, it's crucial to purchase EndoPeak directly from the official website. This ensures the authenticity and purity of your product. As for shipping, it's handled by premium carriers, taking 5 to 10 days for domestic orders. So, what are you waiting for? Don't wait to enhance your sexual performance. Click the link in the description box to order your EndoPeak today.